Friends, there's a simple solution to decluttering and organizing, and it's made possible with smart labels. And I do want to say thank you to the brand for sending me these to try them out, review them, and to show you how they work. I will say that they are awesome. So, whether you're a professional organizer, maybe you're decluttering a garage, a closet, or you're putting away your seasonal decorations, this is a great way to stay organized. And here's why. So, the way it works is you will peel off one of these QR codes and place it onto your container. So we're going to put it right over here. And so what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you on the app, you're going to scan this QR code, and then you're going to list everything that's in this container. So this is great for if you have multiple containers in an area, or those big giant bins where you're just storing a lot of stuff and you forget what you're putting away. So this helps you to stay organized. All you have to do is go up to this container, scan the QR code, and it's going to tell you everything that's in that container. So if you're trying to find one item, you'll easily find it without having to dig through all your storage containers. This keeps all your information all in one place on the mobile app. So simple, so easy. I'll show you how it works.
So as soon as you scan the code, it's going to prompt you to name your label. So it could be Christmas decorations, camping supplies. In my case, it was toolbox. Next, you'll list what kind of container it is. So in my case, it was a plastic box or a plastic container. Here's another cool part of the app. Next, you'll label the location where you're storing the container. That way it's super easy to find. And then you even have the option to take a picture of the container, but we're going to skip that part just for the sake of time. And then for this next step, you just give a general summary of what's in the container. So you can say tools, plumbing supplies, just general things like that. You don't have to get into the details just yet. Now here's the fun part. This is where you can list each individual item that's in your container. You can do every item, or you can just maybe list the bigger items. And then you have the option to take a picture of an item if you want, but again, we'll skip that just for the sake of time. Now, this is where you can add descriptions for each item if you want. You have that option as well. You can also skip this. And you're done. You've created your first label. It's so simple, guys. It makes organizing so easy. I absolutely love it. I think this is a very, very smart, innovative idea for being more organized, for decluttering. You can use it for so many different reasons. The app is user friendly, as you can see. I absolutely love it, and I just highly recommend it.